heading back to the shop. Cleaning up some of the upper oil pan. I'm going to take it down south this weekend when we go to laser stuff, and we're going to Cerakote it. And we're going to Cerakote the trans dipstick tube, dipstick tube, turbo heat shield for the Valley, and then these are power steering. Whoops, these are power steering pump brackets, other fender braces. So all that's going to get refinished. It's quite the snack kit.
Good morning and happy Saturday. We're getting ready to go down to Grants Pass and get some products laser engraved. We're going to take you along with us.
Yep. It's going to be a long drive. 4 hours down, 4 hours back.
See you soon.
So we just made a stop at a rest stop. Sam made a good point that she's glad she didn't have to stab anybody. And I said, well, that's good, because that would have been messy when you got blood all over your clothes and everything. She says, don't worry. She has this clipped to her knife.
Just in case, you know. Love life, hate stains.
See if, we'll just keep it right off the rivet.
Yep, like that.
Yeah, like right there. Size is good. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Yep. Stuff Cerakoted at a little drift shop down here in Grants Pass. We've got an R34 and a Sylvia. Got a Mark IV Supra there in the back. This thing's actually pretty straight, but he said it's pretty beat up in the back. These are all fucking drift cars. Oh, it don't look too bad. But the Sylvia, that's where it's at right there.
You put it wrong enough in the oven to turn it black.
You make it black, shiny black, like the blackest wet.
Put me in the oven next. Dude.
I told him artistic freedom, maybe.
You gotta finesse it. Yeah, it's supposed to be able to do wheelies. It won't do that.
Yeah, it was supposed to do wheelies with an 80 work.
You can finesse the choke and the throttle. The choke and the finesse are like the top end. It's like the back. No bottom and choke. The worst thing, Gagan, it got hot. I think it's hot.
It's hot, yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh,
Freestyle.
Minor difficulty.
The cheap like has
Maybe if I had so.
Jesse, what is this? What's the coating? Just gotta.
So this is a gloss black powder with a top coat of mermaid clear coat. And she is the nasty.
Dude, it's insane.
Good. Damn, she's pretty.
And it just
Good
pops.
between the two black pieces. Yep, there he goes.
There he goes.
And then honk. And then put it on. Or don't.
Alright, so today we are tying up some loose ends from last year. In one of the first videos, Sam and I went to the shop and started working on prepping the firewall for paint. We're going to paint today. We're going to finish that. Where's Sam? Where's Sam?
Dexter.
Oh, Dexter. Where's Dexter? I'm ready to paint. One can of this right now, which we probably only went through about half a can of primer. So this, well, and you have to reapply coats within an hour or after 48 hours of install. So it's either do it now or wait 2 days.
Sure. Just in case anyone's wondering.
These are my new injectors. Fuel rail. I have plugs for these at home. These are fleece trans lines. So this I left raw because I like it raw, but I don't know.
You like what? He likes it raw.
Should we powder coat this?
I don't know the answer to that.
There's a pulley. Bolts. Beneath this should be the head gaskets. So this is the Banks L5P oil cooler. So I thought this was pretty cool. Gail signed our box, but you didn't sign your box. Probably won't be using this anymore. Flagler push rods anymore, because I think it came pinned from D-Max store. PSC pump. Very wrinkle black. Do you want to take any pictures of the servo before
Who drew that?
a child? Can you tell what it is?
Hey, that looks pretty good.
Nope.
Brand new fan clutch. Wrinkle black. So these are Dirty Hooker Diesel aluminum return rails. Alright, this is kind of a busy video. We were all over the place, getting a lot done. Sorry, we jumped around quite a bit. Got stuff lasered, got the frame back to the shop, motors in the frame. Yesterday, Michael was putting the Waggler valve springs in the heads. So I think the heads are getting close to going on, and he's putting on like oil pump and all that stuff right now. Next video, I'll probably be installing the new Hydro Boost on the firewall we just painted. I'd like to get at least some B-roll footage for you guys to see, like the assembly of the engine and stuff, but I'll have to time that well with Michael. So that may or may not be able to happen. I've been basically going through all my parts. This stuff I'm shipping to a kid in Kansas. Pretty excited about that. These are empty boxes. So I've been going through and consolidating everything. And also, quick update, kind of a fun one. We decided to do an S400 kit. So we're throwing that 66 millimeter out. Sold that to a 14-year-old kid in Kansas who's building Duramax old K-body Suburban with his dad. So that's what those boxes are for, packed up. I'm gonna end up doing a DP Customs big single kit with it's a wastegated pedestal, and then I think I'm gonna run the 467, the S467. So that's cool. I'm excited for that. We'll be going to a fixed vane. So, yep, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching and supporting. So, take care.